Hello, this is Angelia, and I got another little song for you. I used to write songs and poems and stuff all the time. I have notebooks full of them, and not doing so much with them. I feel like on my Thursdays now, I have like a one whole complete day of something, like a writing day, then an art day. Art day was last Thursday, so today is performance day. So I'm gonna do some playing with these things that I wrote instead of letting them just sit in drawers, So that's what's up here. But I have another little song for you called Pretty Bird. And I'll play that on the Chinese flute, and then I'll sing it to you. And that is the music part. And now I'll sing the words for you. Pretty Bird. Dark green leaves hung over the scene. The walls were different shades of green. Branches stuck out here and there. We came upon a bird sitting there. His head was gray and shiny. His eyes ringed with red and liney. His beak was gray, yellow, and red. He cocked his medium-sized birdie head. The gray traveled into his ample chest, passed like he knew he was the best. Gray faded to white, then back to gray. Green dappled wings he put on display. His feet were white and red, just like the eye patch on his head. His tail dropped down in sections long. He belted out his lover's song. Dappled green just like his wings. He holds it high as he sings. His beak was gray, yellow, and red. He cocked his medium-sized birdie head. The gray traveled into his ample chest, passed like he knew he was the best. Gray faded to white, then back to gray. Green dappled wings he put on display. A branch dipped low into the shadows. He preened himself to the catcalls. Green walls chunked down to the brown floor. People stood by, hoping to hear more. Page turner, page turner. The branches swayed with other birds, but you could tell he thought those guys were nerds. His beak was gray, yellow, and red. He cocked his medium-sized birdie head. The gray traveled into his ample chest, passed like he knew he was the best. Gray faded to white, then back to gray. Green dappled wings he put on display. And that's it. That's the song Pretty Bird. Hope you liked it. That's all for now. Until next time.